Virtual staging is one of the additional services we offer at EyeSpy360. With this tool, you can virtually enhance any space before a single brick has been laid. Virtual staging is an indispensable tool that helps you and your clients visualize any space, anywhere in the world. Just upload your images, and we will complete your virtual staging order in less than 48 hours Monday to Friday. Let's check out all of our available options for staging. Our standard staging service is where photorealistic furniture, fixtures, and fittings can be digitally added to any part of an existing building using either your 360 photos or 2D stills of the space. This is perfect for showcasing what a new build property might look like after it has been fully furnished. In this scenario, the flooring, walls, and ceiling are not changed in any way. Our virtual renovation service includes the same service as our staging option, but here we also digitally transform the interior, i.e. the walls, floors, and ceilings of any commercial or residential building. This is ideal for development opportunities where you wish to showcase the finished product where the current real-life condition may not currently be presentable. Lastly, our full 360 CGI service is a truly stunning way to showcase any building or outside space that doesn't yet exist. It's a fantastic way to promote your site ahead of construction and sell off-plan, eliminating the problem associated with long-distance selling and the requirement to build expensive show homes. Our specialist CGI team will work with your CAD files and building specs to build the perfect interactive virtual walkthrough of your building project. If you have any questions about our virtual staging services, you can reach our team directly at support@EyeSpy360.com, or you can head to our website in the link below this video to explore some demo tours yourself.